Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. So first things first, guys, look at Tilray still taking off here. Up 16% here in pre-market hours. Got about a minute until opening bell here. Still climbing. This stock was just at $7 just a few days ago, and now it's breaking over 20 bucks a share here. And if we zoom out here and look for that next resistance area, I think we're going to see 25 pretty soon, and we could easily see 50. I think this is going to continue to run up to $50 a share. I think Tilray is a good swing trade here, and look for that $50. So first thing I'm doing right here is I'm getting my notepad, and I'm going to be writing down the stocks I'm going to be looking to day trade and swing trade. So Tilray, TLRY, it's at 21.55 right now. I'm going to go and set a target. If she breaks 22, I'm going to be jumping in that. So I'm going to go up here, alerts. I'm going to go to my alerts, and I'm going to put in TLRY, because this is a big mover. This is going to be one that's easy to take money of, because this is something that's called a sector rotation coming in now. You know, Republicans didn't want to pass medical marijuana, federally. Democrats do. So when we put in Tilray right here, I'm looking for a break above, let's say, 22.10. That's going to be my entry for another Tilray trade. And we'll have a target of 50. We'll look for something a little bit further out with that trade. So that's what I'm going to be looking for here, guys. Markets are open, and let's have a great day here. Let's look for some good day trade setups and a few swing trade setups in the afternoon here as well. Hope everyone has a great day, and let's get started. Let's see. Stephen Powers, are you in Tilray? Amazon just had a big upgrade today as well. The target changed on Amazon. So I'm watching Amazon here closely, and I want to see if that starts to break out. Because if that does break out, I'm definitely going to be trading that. Amazon's just starting to break out now, guys. Let's see if we can do something with Amazon. Let's look at the option chain. I think I'll pick up an Amazon trade for next week after that big upgrade she had. So I'm going to look for a call here. January, I'll probably go with January 22nd. Let's see, they're quite expensive there. Quite expensive. January 22nd. 31.50. Let's see, Q's turn green. Watching this, see what I want to do with Amazon. I'm watching on the chart above here. Q's are starting to climb here as well. Let's see what today's expo is going for the 31.50s. $11. Okay, let's do 31.50 here. We'll look at, we'll pick up 2 contracts. Look for about, let's just watch this for a bit here. Giving it the first 15 minutes of the day. Our Baba trade's in the green nicely. Let's see what else we got moving here. Tesla was up nicely in the pre-market hours. TrueLeaf, TCNNF is up 4%. Tesla 858, nice, 859. Nice gain on Tesla today. Taking a hit on Bank of America today. Really looks like Amazon's going to continue to run here, so I'm going to jump in. Let's see if I could get filled for about 1070. Let's see, she's at 31.35 now. Should be picking up the 31.35. I'd rather pick that one up. 31.35 for about 16. Amazon pulling back a little bit. See, it's too early to get a direction yet, because take a look in the back here. I'm not going to put in that trade yet. I'm watching Amazon chart, and what you can see here, Amazon was breaking out nicely in the morning here, but you know, it's only what, 9:34? Well, only 4 minutes into the opening bell, so I want to get a clear direction, make sure it's going to bounce off that simple moving average before I jump in. I'll be hanging on text on mobile until Monday. Monday, Tuesday, the latest. Jack made a quick 400% on Tilray. Nice job, Jack. Good morning, Ray. So far, Amazon's climbing off that 1020. Let's see if it lasts here. I'm watching the Qs right above it too. Qs came down to that 314.50. Take a look here at Qs. Yes, Bruno, holding on to those. Came right down to that 20. Oh, she moved on me there. Came right down to that 10.20 there on Qs. She's still holding above that 10. So that's what I'm watching for with Qs while I'm watching Amazon here at the same time. So I'm watching, obviously you guys see I got many screens here, so that's how I'm able to do that. Apple's starting to climb here as well on the other chart. Seeing that moving nicely. 6-month daily chart. That's looking ready for a nice climb. Amazon's still climbing off that 1020. Dow's down over 200 points right now, though, so you know it's kind of hard to jump into a trade with confidence when you see the Dow and the markets plunging here. You know, I'm watching all the other charts here too. They're pulling back here as well, most of them. So just hanging on to that for right now. Amazon still wants to climb there. Want to see it break this resistance from this morning here. She breaks that 31.40. There's no question she's going to run for that 31.50. I really wanted to jump into Amazon quick too. Have a nice quick start to the morning with an Amazon day trade. Let's see, I'm going to try jumping into one, I think, here. All right, I'm in it. I'm in at 16 bucks a contract. Already up quite nicely on it, guys. It's already at 17. I'm in at 16. There we go, $100 gain on that already. Now there she goes, having another nice run. Let's see if I can get about 19 bucks for her. She's still on the climb there. 31.50 should come pretty quick. Might even let it run for a little bit longer there. I'm watching Tilray there, 21.44 on Tilray. That's looking good. Qs are climbing. I want to see Qs break that 315 area. Tilray 21.15. Watching Qs come back down to the 10 there. Nice job, Dave Rains. Nice job. There we go. Back in the green on Amazon. Let's see that next big breakout here to 31.50. Should easily see that 31.50 pretty quick here. Let's break those highs from this candle right here at 938. Q's coming back down. Q's are failing with that 315. This is what I'm watching here right above this chart that you guys are seeing. See that 315 area? She's been coming up to that 315 and struggling with it right here on Q's. I want to see that breakout continue. I want to break that 315 on Q's. Watching Q's there. Dow's down about 154 right now. Nasdaq's just hanging on to the green here. So watching Q's, Amazon, watching ExxonMobil there. Apple, Baidu, Baba, Tesla. Tilray's nearing 22 bucks. Here's the alert going off. Tilray price targets met. She's above 22.10 right now, still continuing to break higher. Let's take a look at Tilray, TLRY. Look at that breakout there. I'm going to jump into something for Tilray going out a little bit further again. Maybe to the February 19th expo. 23 calls, pretty cheap. This is the trade challenge account. I'll pick up 2 contracts there around 275. See if we could get filled for that. Let's see. Not filling there. Man, E-Trade is really slow today. There we go, guys. I'm in Tilray now. I am in at 3.60. Just got the February 19th, 2021 23 strike call. $3.60 execution here. Here is the order. Order status. We're completed at 3.60. We're filled at Tilray February 19, 23 strike. I'm going to have a target on that of at least $40. Qs are starting to climb here a little bit. Tilray trade already up 5%. Qs are breaking that 10, 20, 50 right now. Let's see that breakout continue there. Tilray trade up 7%. I don't know, Avilio. It's early though too still. What time is it here? It's only 17 minutes into the day. Qs are starting to climb nicely though. I expect Amazon to take off here. Let's do this. Let's look at them side by side. So here's Qs. Here's Amazon right there. Should see Amazon start breaking out soon. Qs need to break that 315 though. That's what I'm watching for right here. So we got resistance right at around 315. Want to see Qs break through that. That's good. Avilio, Amazon had a big breakout. I don't know if you mean Amazon or AutoZone, AZN. Amazon had that big climb though over the past few days. We were looking at it, she was holding that 3100, then she got that quick climb all the way up to 3190. Now she came back down the past couple of days. There goes Tilray taking off again. Amazon's just not following suit here. Amazon usually has big intraday swings. I'm watching ExxonMobil finally flatten out there, and looks like it wants to climb above that 1020 SMA. Want that Q to break that 315. Qs are trying to break out. You know, she's consolidating pretty well. Amazon's a big mover there, so that retracement there is easily reboundable from. Now, if Qs really start to break down, then I'm going to worry about Nasdaq and Amazon there. Amazon had a big price target upgrade today to $3,900 a share. She usually gets a run once that gets out. Could you get me my phone? Watch Qs here. If she breaks below that 314.50. Let me put my charger here. I didn't know you guys were on mute there. I was just watching an article here. I just got an alert from Bloomberg. Do you guys hear that Amazon? So Amazon's Spacecraft company, I think that's going to be part of Amazon. They're debating that now, or if that's going to have its own IPO there. Let's see. Tilray needs to start moving here. I have to put in my new card number here for Bloomberg too. Big pullback on Qs here, guys. There's the news about ExxonMobil there, pulling that back a little bit. I don't know about ExxonMobil there, guys. Guys, you guys can't let one trade devastate you like that, you know? You have 7 winning trades, and then you have that one losing trade, and you bet big on that, and it has that pullback. It looks like ExxonMobil might come back down to about 46 before climbing again. You know, the expiration's January 22nd, so that goes into the Biden administration. So we'll see what happens there with that. But markets are definitely pulling back here. You guys can see Qs here as well, continuing to break lower on the day. I have to do this really quick here. go. Tilray 2047. Avilia, you have to understand when Biden comes in, he's going to get rid of Chinese tariffs. He's going to get rid of regulations, from that we set on China. So that's what you got to be thinking about there. Exactly, and that's what trading is. You look for different sectors as there's sector rotation going on in the markets. What's the markets looking to invest in? So you take advantage of the trend. Tesla ended up pulling back here as well. Tesla's down about $5 right now, 840 a share. That was all the way up to 860 this morning. Might just see a little bit of selling today, profit taking this week after, the market's had a pretty decent move this week. A lot of choppiness, at least up to 320. Pulled back, holding that 20 though still. I think next week, once we see Biden take office, we're going to see that market take off again. Well, it's going to move one way or the other. We'll take advantage of it. I think we should climb. Watching Qs here. I want to find a good day trade set up here. I mean, we could have entered into those puts there on Qs, but it was kind of early in the morning to wait for that trend. You guys see anything moving to take advantage of day trading? Tilray's coming back down to $20 right now. Typing to you guys in the trade room. ExxonMobil getting its first candle above the 10. Q's getting up above the 10 now. Let's see if it's going to stay there, fail, and head lower again. If she heads lower again, I might be jumping into some Q puts. Dow's down 250. Nasdaq's now down 85. Ray said Schwab reminded him that there's a record level of options being traded today. Here's Amazon coming off the lows. Should I dare do another Amazon trade? I don't like the chart. To look at the chart though, on a daily chart. Right now it's trading between that 1020. It already had the MACD cross. That 1020 cross is going to come up if that candle comes above. She breaks that 315. You're going to have that 1020 cross. There goes Q's and Amazon starting to take off, guys, once again. Watching to see if Amazon moves there. Paradise Speed, Tilray's February 19th Expo. Holding on to Tilray. It's down 27% right now. That's normal intraday moves for a stock like that. That's volatile. You have to understand that if you guys are going to trade options. Got the February 19th Expo there. Amazon coming right back down to that 10. Let's see if that was a fake out. See if she's going to be heading lower here. Let's see if we see any. Wells Fargo shares are trading lower after the company reported worse than expected Q4 sales and reported net interest income down 17%. Looks like ExxonMobil wants to turn around there. See what happens. Wall Street pulls back a bit amid mixed bank results after Biden announces further stimulus. Italy is extending their lockdown until March. Did you guys hear that breaking news? That's on. They're going to be hurting if they're shutting businesses down like that. Man, that's a horrible. What do they have out there? Prime Minister. Q's failing again, guys. Big breakdown on Q's. Q's are still breaking lower there. It's crazy. They loved when Trump gave a stimulus, but now when Biden gets his stimulus, the markets pull back on that news. They're worried about all the spending because I'm sure he's going to do a couple of rounds of stimulus in the first quarter of the year. Dow is down now 330 points, guys. Definitely a pullback today. Continuing lower. Still not doing too much here, guys. Pulling back for sure, but Dow's down about 372. Nasdaq's down 160. S&P's down about 45. So watching and waiting for this. Little reversal here on Q's. Watching Tilray here too. Tilray had a pullback, down 34% on Tilray. But like I said, that's for the February 19th Expo. That one's fine for me. I really think we're going to see that one hitting closer to about, I think we're going to see 50 bucks on that soon. $35 to $50. Q's climbing above the 10, still not trusting it though. Amazon's held that 3100 though. That's the one thing I was watching for. Right now it's still holding that 3100. She might be back at 3140 by the end of the day. I don't see anything that would justify this sell-off that we're seeing. They just upgraded this GPL, which is a penny stock. It's at 78 cents to $1.40. I won't go near that yet. Maybe if she breaks 80, I'd jump in. Now the Tilray trade's only down 26%. She's starting to climb here as well. It's just normal volatility we're seeing. ExxonMobil's starting to get that 1020 cross. Should see that soon. Tilray's still on the climb there. I mean, look at that, climbed literally from 1850 all the way up to 20. $1.50 climb in 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. So this is volatility you're seeing. This is why that IV is so expensive. This is why options are so expensive. There's volatility in the markets, and I expect that to remain until about the 20th, 21st. That's why we're getting the February expos, guys. Important to understand that. Dow's down 338. Nasdaq's down 131. S&P's down about 40 points right now. Watching to see if Qs are going to fail at that 20 and head lower here. If they do, I might jump into some Q puts. Here's ExxonMobil over here as well. Take a look. Starting to climb. Tilray's still on the climb there. It's one of those days. Yeah, Ray brings up a good point, guys. Remember, Monday's a holiday, so there's going to be no trading on Monday. So, I think you're seeing some profit taking ahead of that. Because what's Monday? What date is Monday? Monday is the 18th. So the first day the market's open again is the 19th. So many people, you don't know what's going to happen between Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. The markets are going to be closed. So I think you're seeing a little bit of profit takers coming in now that might be worried about some type of riding over the weekend or over the long holiday weekend. So not worried about that. Not worried about the pullback here we're seeing today. Very typical until Tilray's continuing to break out here. ExxonMobil's taking a nice run now. She came all the way down to 47.29. Actually lower than that. 47.28. She's up to that 50 now. Let's see if she's going to break that 50 or fail at that 50. Amazon's starting to move here as well. Take a look at Amazon quick. Amazon's getting up to that 50 as well. I mean, resistance on Amazon's going to be around 31.35 to 31.40. So if she starts to break out, that original Amazon trade would have been good, but got to follow the plan there. If we get another cross at above that 31.15, I might jump into a day trade. If we see the general markets turn around, like I said, if I'm trading Amazon, I want to look at the Qs, make sure the Qs are going in my favor as well. ExxonMobil doesn't want to trade above that 50. Yes, Tyler, but I got out of that Amazon trade. Efren might not have sent it out there. He had a death in the family today. He might not be around. Feel bad for him. But it was right here on the live screen here. I shared it, showed it. Let's see here. Avilio, you had a death in the family as well, or are you talking about Efren's? Is it your cousin or Efren's cousin? Or are you guys somehow related? Qs are still climbing here. Sorry to hear that, Avilio. If you need anything, please let me know. So sad. It's been a horrible year, death-wise and everything going on. Guys, Qs are still climbing there. Exxon Mobil's getting a nice climb there. Watching Amazon right back up to that 31.15. Still got a nice climb coming on Qs, guys. You can get a water quick here. Facebook is climbing here just at about the highs of the day here. If you look at a today 1 minute chart, right near the highs, 3-month daily. It's holding that 250 there. 250 could be a tight stop if you wanted to swing trade it. There goes Qs again, guys. Take a look at Qs here. Right up to that 50. It's holding that 20 on a daily chart there. I know you see that at Avilio too on the 3-month daily chart. That's what looks so optimistic here, is that we're holding that 20-day. It's been using that 20-day and the entire breakout momentum cycle and phase here on a daily chart. Been breaking out, getting up to resistance, retracing back down to support at that blue 20-day, climbing, breaking the previous. This is what's important about breakout momentum. You're looking for it to break the previous phase's high. So here's a phase, Now here is the retracement phase. Here's the breakout momentum phase. Notice how we broke through the highs in the previous breakout momentum phase. So broke through those highs, came all the way down to that blue 20-day again. Climbed off of that, broke through those highs, and we made new highs there. Retracement back down to that 20, broke, made new highs. So what you're looking for next week or the following week is a break above those highs right there. If we break above 315, that's going to be breaking through some short-term resistance here, going back to this earlier breakout in that phase in the breakout momentum cycle. So that's what I'm looking for. If we break 315 here, you know, chances are we're going to hit that 320 pretty quick. It just matters now, are we going to be trading sideways for the next few days, the next few weeks, or are we going to get that move quick? I think by by Wednesday and Thursday, once Biden's inauguration's done and over with, and we see there's nothing crazy happening, then I think we're going to see that continued breakout there. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm watching that Exxon Mobil too. If that could break that 48, that'd be great. Waiting for that ExxonMobil to start to take off here again, guys. I could average down on that one nicely if we do get a good climb on it coming up. Qs are feeling at that 50 right now. If you guys take a look at it today, 1 minute on Qs. Breaking below that 20 here as well. She might be coming right back down to 311, which might be a nice setup for a day trade. Gonna give it a little time though, personally. Market's been shifting. Dow's now down about 101 points. I'm sorry, Nasdaq's down about 100 points there. Dow's only down about 237. She rebounded nicely there from those lows. She has another run like that, either on Qs or Diamond. We're going to be at the highs of the day. Hoffman, I like that. I was so DTF. Oh, we're ready, Hoffman. Waiting for that breakout. Or breakdown, doesn't matter. ExxonMobil's really trying to have another breakout here. Let's see what Tilray's doing here. TLRY. Tilray's getting another nice climb there. That's what I mean, guys, about intraday moves. She just moved $2 from the lows to the highs there. That's over a 10% move in that stock from the lows right here. It's about a 12% move from those lows. So, you know, those intraday moves, you got to be prepared for them. You got to be ready. And it's a normal part of trading. You just got to mentally control it. You can't lash out. You can't be worried. Q starting to hold that 20 right there. Nice breakout on Tilray, guys. Tilray's having a nice move. We're almost green on our Tilray trade again. We're only down 10% on Tilray now. It's amazing what what these cycles and phases do for you here. We had a big breakdown momentum phase within the cycle, and now we're in the breakout momentum. Now I want to see that get up to that 2150. We get up there, I'll be quite happy with that Tilray trade. Should have averaged down when we had that crossover here. You know, those movers, that's when you want to average down, when you see that retracement and then those quick green candles here, buying power coming in. I mean, take a look at the volume coming in at those areas there. You know, 1 million shares here every minute's coming in. 1 million shares, 1 million shares, 1 million shares. You know, compared to when she's in breakdown momentum and you're seeing those smaller amounts, 300,000 being sold. Qs are still trying to break above that red 50-day simple moving average. There goes ExxonMobil, guys, getting right back up to that 47.96. Watching that there. It's a nice little climb. Let's see. Colin says SPY's trying to break out. Let's see SPY. Oh, that's definitely breaking out there, especially from those lows. 370, 368. She's up $2 from those lows there. She could break that 376. We'll look for that 377.50. We might see the markets turn green by the end of the day, guys. I'm telling you. It's really crazy what we're seeing here. Facebook's still continuing to climb here, up about 2.87%. Shares up $7.05 for the day, 252.72. Still climbing, still breaking out. Qs are breaking above the 10, 20, 50 day for the first time in a bit. Take a look here at Qs. There goes ExxonMobil. Let's put Qs over here. Qs, let's see if we could break above that 20 there and start to get that run. Let's see here. I'm watching Tilray right above it here as well. TLRY. Let's see. Tilray's starting to climb there off that 10. See if she does. Tilray slowly climbing here, guys. Come on, I want to see that Tilray break that 21. Well, Jack Dottie, it looks like it's still continuing to climb here. Let's see. Guys on YouTube, or guys on Zoom, do you guys want to stay live a little bit longer today? With it being Options Expo Day? I want to find some good day trade setups today, so I'm going to be here at the computer. Okay, the game plan is then we'll get off of YouTube and I'll reset things and then I'm going to go live on Zoom again. We could stay live as long as we want, guys. That'll be for the paid members there at breakingchartalerts.com. Alrighty, guys, I think that's what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get off of YouTube. I'll close this Zoom out because this is still the morning session, and then I'm just going to do a bonus for an extra half hour, maybe an hour here, and then, we'll go live again at 2. I want to find some good day trades. If we sell off here in the afternoon for the lunch hour, I want to take advantage of that. So I'm going to stay live on Zoom. I'm going to end it now quick, and then I'm going to start it back up in between 5 and 10 minutes here. I just have to exit out of this one because it's a different class in the Zoom platform here. I have to go to, you guys know Zoom here, so I have to just go to a new setting here. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to go do that now. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Guys guys on YouTube, if you guys want to come join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com. We still have our special going on. Join now, log in, membership pricing plans, and you guys could use promo code CHALLENGE. That's our new promo code, CHALLENGE. And that is good for the Elite Pro Trader. That's for the trade challenge that's going to be starting next week. All right, I figured I'd get Biden get into the office there, and then we could see how that trade challenge does as Biden takes over there. So, really love it. Come join us, guys, and I will see you guys in the trade room. And we'll be live again on Zoom in about 5-10 minutes. All right, guys? Let me just exit out of this one, get the new one set up, and I'll share that link in the trade room for everyone at breakingchartalerts.com. Today's Day Trade Friday. I'm going to be searching for some good day trades. So I'll see you guys later. Those of you on YouTube that want to come join us, breakingchartalerts.com. You could sign up for Trader, Pro Trader, Elite Pro Trader yearly. Use promo code CHALLENGE if you want to save off 30%. And I will see you guys there. Alrighty, take care, guys. Have a great weekend. Have a good holiday. Stay safe and God bless. Bye-bye.